Hello YouTube, Mr. Miz here at the Beaver County Model Railroad Club, which I probably should join. And this is their layout in Monaca. It is very large and it is extremely detailed. Got a little zoo, you can see down there into the yard. And then here comes something I had showed earlier. Seen earlier rather. It's the Pennsylvania Railroad S1 turbine, hauling a fleet of modern passenger consist. I'll be honest, I couldn't quite make out the drum head. Let's see if we have any better luck. I think it's the general or maybe the admiral. And you've got town, well, more of a small city. B&O passenger set, and it kind of loops around on itself a couple different times. I think it's a wishbone maybe. But as you can see, the detail is something else. It is really, really nice. There's a train there. That's a pacemaker being run by a Hudson. And as we continue to sort of pan around. Now again, this is in Monaca, and right outside here is the old Pittsburgh and Lake Erie Railroad main line. Crosses over the bridge over the Ohio River. But like I said, the amount of detail in this is just really incredible. There's some Boy Scouts by the look of it. There's a coal mine over there. Here comes the pacemaker.
Certain areas it's been popping off?
Yeah, I don't know where the French left the road, somewhere over here. It's not easy over there.
This trestle is just incredible. Really, really nice. And then there's a whole river valley down in here. Some more houses and industry. Got a lighthouse. Here you go. Yeah, this really is an incredible layout this club has here. And I think, I think that turbine might be coming out this, yep, here it comes. And then we've got some more over here. Again, just the level of detail is really impressive. Got some farming, some greenhouses, cool little pumpkin patch. And as we go around, steel mill. Someone made a house out of an old caboose. But yeah, again, the detail is incredible. This is an absolutely beautiful layout.
So far, it's made through
So if you're around Beaver County, definitely try and make it out to the Beaver County Model Railroad Society.